Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is for childcare centers to manage and share daily activities using the Daily Activities feature. Let's dive right in. Accessing the Daily Activities feature first, log in to your MyKidReports dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Daily Activities and select Post Activity. This is your gateway to creating and managing all activities for the day. You'll see a variety of activity options here. These can include snacks, circle time, nap start time, pictures, and more. To add a new activity, click on the specific activity icon or use the Add Activity button for further customization. Next, you'll see the Add Activity pop-up. Start by selecting the specific item for this activity. Check the appropriate boxes and click Next. You can assign activities to specific rooms or individual children. For instance, select Creative Corner or Infant Room for room-based activities. Alternatively, choose individual children by clicking on their profile icons. You can also filter by Checked In Only for convenience. You can further customize the activity. Set the time, confirm the type of activity, and add optional details like staff-only notes. You can even upload photos or files to make the activity more engaging. Once you're ready, click Add Activity to finalize it. Creating new activities or subcategories. Need a custom activity? Use the Add Top-Level Category button to create a new activity. You can upload an icon, give it a name, and even add subcategories. Editing existing activities. To make changes to an existing activity, click Edit next to the activity name. You can update the name, change the icon, or adjust its visibility. This ensures your activities remain relevant and well organized. Managing activity visibility. To manage which activities are visible in the app, go to Activity Settings under the Daily Activities menu. Here you can toggle the visibility of each activity. Once activities are added, parents can view them in real time through the MyKidReports app. This keeps everyone informed and ensures smooth communication between staff and families. Once logged in as staff, you'll land on the home screen. From here, you can view assigned staff, the schedule, and enrolled children. To begin posting activities, click the Post Activity button. You'll be prompted to choose an activity category. MyKidReports provides pre-configured options such as AM snacks, circle time, and more. Simply click on the activity type you want to post. Once you select a category, you'll see a list of items specific to the activity type. For example, under AM snacks, you can select the items served, like apples or bananas. Check the boxes for the items you want to include and click Next. You can now assign this activity to specific rooms or individual children. Use the Search Child bar to assign to a particular child, or select a room to apply the activity to all children in that room. You can also toggle Checked In Only to limit the activity to currently checked-in children. In the final step, review the selected children or rooms. Add any necessary details like the time of the activity or upload photos. You can even include a message for parents to give them more context. Once everything is set, click Add Activity. After logging into the MyKidReports app, you will land on the parent home screen. Here you can see the list of children associated with your profile. Select a child, tap on the name of the child for whom you want to view the daily activities. This will open the child details page. On the child details page, scroll down to the activity feed section. You'll see a chronological list of activities posted by the staff, including the type of activity, details, and any associated photos or notes. If you wish to explore activities for all children or across the day, tap on the Feeds tab in the bottom navigation bar. In the Feeds section, you can filter by child name or date to view specific activities. The activity feed is updated in real time, so you can always stay informed about your child's day. And that's it. With MyKidReports, managing and sharing daily activities has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more tips and updates, visit mykidreports.com. Thank you for watching.